What's going on, guys? It is your host, The Bro Consumer, here to bring you another video. And today's video is all about this bad boy right here. Now, if you're watching this video, it's probably a day late, but hey, what can I say? Don't blame me. This bad boy just came out. This right here is the new PlayStation Classic. Let's get to it. Now, Sony decided that they want to jump on the bandwagon, right? They see Nintendo out there huffing and puffing. They were like, ooh, look at them. They out there with the Nintendo, the classic Nintendo. They came up with the Super Nintendo. They seen them out there. They were stunting. What were they doing? They were selling out. Sony was like, yo, we gotta get up on that bread too. They out there selling, they rehashing the same crap people could actually buy, download ROMs for. They even gotta pay for it. But guess what? It sold out anyway. So Sony decided, let's go jump on the bandwagon, right? Let's pull out the PlayStation Classic. And that's exactly what they did. They went and got the PlayStation Classic. And you know what? I don't know if I'm gonna be happy with this, to be honest. But I bought it anyways. I pre-ordered it about pretty much as soon as they announced it. I pre-ordered it, and I'm actually pretty excited to actually see it. But I don't know if I'm actually playing it. I might actually end up returning it, to be honest. I mean, just let's keep it real here. How many times are you actually gonna play? How many times are you actually gonna play a PlayStation game? Not much. But let's see what's in the box. Let's see what's actually in the container, what's actually included. Let's get to it. So it's gonna be an unboxing. Of course, we got some tape on here, so we gotta slide that bad boy to the side. And it's actually pretty thick, so I'm gonna need my keys. Give me 2 seconds. Got my car keys. All right, got the car keys. Let's rip this bad boy open. God damn it. Guys, if I messed the box up already, you can tell what type of person I am. I'm just never cutting this out the video, to be honest. Golly. No. Who puts tape on like this? It's 2 goddamn seconds. All right, so I got the tape off. Now, let's get this bad boy open. It's a nice little box, right, guys? All right, so now we got the nice classic PlayStation logo, and on top of that, another secure box I'm probably gonna struggle opening again. But I'm gonna end this bad boy. Whoa, guys, now I'll put up a photo of what the original size was. I don't know if because I was smaller maybe when I was a kid, but I don't remember a PlayStation being this size. Let me just now it's showing up on the second camera, but let me show the main camera. This is what came in the box here. This is like the size of remember those Neo Geo thingies or whatever, or what the hell are them joints called? Them joints I played the Sega games. Whatever them joints were, this is the size of it. This is the size of a DS, the Nintendo DS. If you got one, the original DS, that bad boy right there. It's even the same color. This is the new PlayStation Classic. I don't want to show my kids. I bought this honestly because I can have some kids in the future and I can show kids, hey kids, this is what your dad used to play. But this is not what, I don't know if this thing even opens. It has a CD thing in here, but it's not the size of a CD. So I'm gonna doubt that it works. But let's open this bad boy up. And the thing's clean, guys, it feels good. Again, oh, look at this. Little instructions, we're not gonna read that. But guys, this is it right here. And I gotta say, it's tiny. You get your power button, exactly what it was before, the reset for when your CD didn't work, and you knew damn well it wasn't gonna work anyways, but you're gonna try it anyways. Or if you want to rage quit, reset button right there. They have the open button, but there's nothing to open because, well, it's not a real CD. There's no real CD player in there. You got the memory cards right here, but I'm pretty sure it's all virtual. USB ports right there for the player ports. It's only up to 2 players. And you have an HDMI port in the back. And then you have your mini USB port as the power And now it would be cool, honestly. Oh, actually, you can open. Is this open? Let's see if this bad boy opens. And I don't think this opens. Fuck, I don't want to break it. If I got return it, I'll be mad as hell. I did this for y'all for breaks. All right, I don't like y'all that much, but you know, oh wait a minute, that's crazy. So hopefully this came with 2 controllers. If not, maybe you could use regular. Oh, it did. So even though, golly, sorry guys. I'm gonna just throw all the containers and stuff out. Now we got everything to the side, guys. This is everything that's in the box. You got your mini PlayStation Classic and everything. And what I find interesting is that it's the same size as the original controllers. Of course, there's no analog sticks. For y'all kids out there that don't know about this, the original PlayStation did not have joysticks. That's all it came with. So it's pretty much the same size as the original controllers. Which obviously they, you know, but they're not gonna make, just because they made a mini PlayStation doesn't mean they're gonna make a mini controller. But whatever, right? And what I do find interesting is that they supply you with HDMI cable, which, you know, cool, thank you very much. They have the USB, the mini USB cable, right? But it says on the box, let me find it. USB AC adapter not included in the box. Yo, son, that's wild. So what am I supposed to do? Plug this into my car? Oh my God. Try again later. Guys, I almost killed everything. But what am I supposed to do? Plug this into a computer to play it? Obviously, you can use your phone, your phone's AC adapter and everything, but I just thought it was weird. Why the hell wouldn't you not include the AC adapter? And on top of that, you didn't have to put that on the box. That's just being petty. But hey, it is what it is. Anyways, guys, this is a PlayStation Classic. Is it a waste of money? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see soon enough. I'm gonna try it out, but this is my first impressions. I'm not gonna play it yet. I'm gonna play it, but I'm not gonna review. I don't know. Hey, y'all, this is a stupid ass PlayStation at the end of the day. If you play the PlayStation, you already know what to expect. It's supposed to be scaled up of some sort, but it's not. But it does come with 20 games included. So I'm gonna read it off real quick. I'm gonna end out this video. So you got Battle Arena, Cool Borders 2. I'm actually really excited about that. Construction Derby, not too fond of that. Final Fantasy 7. I might play that. Grand Theft Auto, I'm definitely gonna kill that. Intelligent Cube, all right. Jumping Flash, Metal Gear Solid, I'll play that. Mr. Driller, not for me. Odd Worlds, not for me again. Rayman, definitely for me. Resident Evil Director's Cut, definitely playing that with the lights off at some point in time. Revelations, Ridge Racer Type 4, now I'm definitely gonna play that. It's a classic. Super Puzzle Fighter 2, probably play that as well. Siphon Filter, all right. Tekken 3, I'll probably play that boxy ass game as well. Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six, definitely kill that. Twisted Metal, I'll definitely play that. Wild Arms, I haven't actually heard of Wild Arms, but I'll definitely play that as well. Problem, I don't know if you could upload, if you could play, I don't know if they haven't made it clear if you could like download more games or not, but I'm pretty upset that, what's that little dragon nigga? I'm sorry, oh, I'm sorry, let me bring that back. What's the dragon game? The Purple Dragon, whatever that game is, I'm mad that game's not included in this, because that's what, or Crash Bandicoot, those are the classics to me. So the fact that those aren't in there is crazy. But hey y'all, this is it for this video. I'll see y'all soon. I'm gonna pack this shit up. Peace.